Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka 43. Prowess, splendor, firmness, dexterity, and also not fleeing from battle, generosity, lordliness. These are the duties of the Kshatriyas, born of their own nature.
Chapter 18, Shloka 43. Shauryam tejo dhritir dhaksham yuddhe chapya falayanam danam ishvara bhavascha kshatram karma swabhavajam.
Chapter 18, Shloka 43. Duties of a Kshatriya. A Kshatriya has a lot of Rajoguna in the composition of his personality, manifested in his individuality when it comes in contact with the world. A person is not a Kshatriya by birth, but because of certain qualities enumerated below. A Kshatriya has these 8 qualities: bravery, vigor, constancy, resourcefulness, promptitude, courage in the face of the enemy, generosity, and lordliness, which he should cultivate. A true leader is one who has the subtle ability to incorporate the spiritual ideals into his life and all its fields of activity. Prowess and boldness, shauryam and teja, it is the vigor and constancy with which he meets the challenges in life. Fortitude, dhriti, it is the powerful will of the personality who, having decided to do something, follows it up and discovers the constancy of purpose, facing all the challenges until he gains victory or success. Promptitude, dakshyam, is the quality of alertness and smart vigilance. A Kshatriya is prompt in coming to a decision and executing, not fleeing from battle. He never accepts defeat in any field of conflict and will not leave any work incomplete. He is never nervous. Generosity, danam, he is not miserly but is generous. The glory is in his compassion for others who are in need of help. Lordliness, Ishwar Bhava. He has self-confidence in his abilities and so he can lead others. He can instill faith in others with his self-confidence. Thus, lordliness is one of the essential traits of Kshatriya. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.